Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Samayeva hi kevalam. Samayeva hi kevalam means simply working uselessly and wasting time. You cannot check the nature's law. Suppose in this life you are very big leader, prime minister and everything, that's all right. But according to your mentality, you are creating next life. So in this life you remain a prime minister and next life you become a dog. Then what is the benefit? Therefore these atheist fools, they want to deny next life. That is very horrible for them. That is very horrible. If they accept next life, they know that life is very sinful. Then what life they are going to get? By the laws of nature. When they think of it, they shudder. Better deny it. Better deny it. Just like a rabbit, enemy is in his pond and he is going to die. But he thinks, let me close my eyes, I am out of there. This is atheistic view. They are trying to forget that there is no. Therefore they deny. There is no life. Why not? Krishna says that you had a childhood body, you had a baby. Where is that body? You have left that. You are in different body. Similarly, this body will change. You get another body. And who says? Krishna says, the most superior authority. He says. I may not understand, but when he says, this is the process of our knowledge. We accept knowledge from the perfect person. I may be fool, but the knowledge received from the perfect person is perfect. This is our process. We don't try to speculate that may or may not be successful. But if you accept knowledge from the perfect authority, that knowledge is perfect. Just like we are speculating, who is my father? You can speculate, who is your father? But that speculation will not help you. You will never understand who is your father. But you go to your mother, the supreme authority, she will immediately, here is your father. Your father. And you cannot know father in any other way. There is no other way. This is practical. You cannot know your father without the authoritative statement of your mother. Similarly, things which are beyond your perception, avang manasa gocha, you cannot think of, you cannot speak of. Sometimes they say God cannot be spoken, God cannot be thought of. That is all right. But if God himself comes before you and says, here I am, then where is the difficulty? I am imperfect. I cannot know. That's all right. But if God himself comes before you,
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna